Namaste students. In the last class, I taught you the properties of integers. Yes, those are closure property and commutative property. Yes, in closure property, we have seen that the sum of any two numbers, any two integers is again an integer, and the difference of any two or any number of integers you take, the difference of any number of integers is again an integer. Yes. And later we studied the commutative property of integers. Yes, commutative property of addition and commutative property of subtraction also. Right? Commutative property of addition. In that we have seen that in whichever order you add, that is a plus b is equals to b plus a. Yes, in whichever order, if you interchange the place of the integers given, you are going to get the same answer, isn't it? And you have seen that subtraction is not commutative for integers. Yes, addition is commutative for integers, but subtraction is not commutative for integers. And also integers are closed under addition and integers are closed under subtraction. Integers are closed under addition and integers are closed under subtraction. Yes. Now let us go with the next property, that is associative property. All these properties you studied in 6th standard, but again these are repeated. But then you have taken whole numbers and now we are going to move with the integers. Let us see whether associative property holds good for integers or not. Yes. So to learn this, let me take some examples. Yes, I want to take some integers. Okay. So let us consider the three integers as -2, -4 and 1. Yes, let us consider -2, -4 and 1. We have seen that for whole numbers, the associative property is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. This is the associative property general statement, isn't it? Here we see that a plus b is there and these two are grouped together where a, b, c are any three integers. Okay? A, b are grouped together and the sum of these two is added to another integer. Yes? And then you are going to get the sum. And later in RHS if you see, b plus c is grouped together. Yes? B and c are grouped together. The sum of b and c is added to a. The answer what we are going to get is equal to the LHS. Yes, that was for whole numbers. Yes. Now let us check it for what the integers. Yes, the integers are considered are -2, -4 and 1. Whether a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c or not, let us check. Where a is -2, b is -1 and c is 1. Okay. So these are the examples. Now I want to group them. -2 plus of -4. Why it is plus of -4? It is a plus b, where a is -2, b is -4. Okay. Then plus c. C is 1 of course. Yes. Now let me get the sum of all this and later we will go for the RHS. -2 plus of -4 is there. -2 plus into minus is minus. That we know already. Plus into minus is minus. 4 plus 1. See, still -1, -4 and bracket. Getting? That is equals to -2 -4. This is sum. Yes, see. Both are having same sign. So what we have to do? Yes, same sign. Add. 4 to 6. Yes. 4 to it is 6. Same sign. So keep the same sign. Plus 1. That is equal to. Different sign. -6 plus 1 are there. Different sign. Subtract. 6 minus 1. 5. Bigger number carrying negative sign. So answer is -5. Okay. So this is about the LHS. Now let us move for the RHS. That is a plus into bracket b plus c. Yes. So what we have to group here? We have to group b and c. That is nothing see, in bracket, different signs are there. Yes, different sign, subtract. 4 minus 1, 3. Yes, are you getting? 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus 1 is there, and see, the bigger number is carrying negative sign. Yes, bigger number is carrying negative sign, so it is minus 3. Don't forget to write this plus. Okay, minus 2 as it is, plus both are having different sign, so subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bigger number is carrying negative sign, so it is minus 3. Minus 2 plus into minus is minus 3. That is equals to same sign. Add 3 to 5. Both are carrying same sign, so answer is minus 5. Minus 5 is equals to minus 5. Therefore, what we conclude? We conclude that minus 2 plus of minus 4 plus 1. See, in bracket, minus 2 plus of minus 4 plus 1 is equal to, this is equal to what? This RHS. Yes, that is minus 2 plus of minus 4 plus 1. Right? So, it is observed that A plus B into bracket A plus B plus C is equals to A plus into bracket B plus C. Yes? So, in the first case, A and B are grouped together, and in the second case, B and C are grouped together. Yes? So, it is depending on the grouping. Yes? In whichever group you add, yes, the answer remains same. If you are taking 3 or 4 integers, let us take you are taking 4 integers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3, then 2 plus 4, and sum of all those. See, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 6 it is 10. Yes? Now, I want to change it as 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. I want to add 1 with 4. Yes? 1 with 4 is 5. 3 to 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes? So, in the first case, we have taken 1, 3, 2, 4. But in second case, 1, 4, 3, 2. The answer remains same. Yes? So, associativity is nothing but the grouping of the numbers. Yes? So, here we say that the associative property of addition holds good for integers. Yes? Therefore, associative property of addition, holds good comma, minus 9 and minus 5. In the second one, minus 14, comma, 12 and minus 3. So what do you have to check here? You have to check whether a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c or not. Yes, still I am not saying you that these two are equal. You have to check that. You have proved that a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. But still you have to check whether these two are equal or not. The examples are there here. You have to use these in this general statement. Whether it is correct or not. Whether our RHS is equals to LHS or not. That you have to check. Getting? Okay. So now let us move with the next one. That is additive identity. Let us see whether additive identity, what does this additive identity say? You see that in whole numbers lesson. Yes, in 6th standard, what is the additive identity for whole numbers? Yes, what is the additive identity? What is the additive identity of whole numbers? Yes. Yes, it is 1 or 0. 1 additive identity or 0. Let us see. If I want to take 7 and I want to add this with one number, if I add that 7 to one number, I must get 7 only. So, which is that number? Yes. If you are taking A and you want to add something to it and the sum should be A only. Yes, the sum should be A only. Then what is that number here? Yes, of course it is 0. Yes, if you add 0 to A, you are going to get A. If you add 0 to 7, you are going to get 7 only. So it is clear that 0 is the additive identity. Yes, 0 is the additive identity for whole numbers. Now what about the additive identity for integers? What is the additive identity for integers? Let us see. If it is minus 17, yes, minus 17 plus something, it should give us minus 17 only. Then what is that number? Yes, if you are taking 25 and add it to a number, you should get 25 only. Yes, it is of course minus 17 plus 0. Then 25 plus 0 is 25 only and minus 17 only. Just let us check it. It is 153 plus 0 is again 153. Yes. Then 279 plus 0 is 279 only. Whether it is positive or negative. If you are taking 0 plus 0 plus of minus 9, the answer is minus 9 only. Isn't it? See? It's not 0. 0 plus of minus 9. This is what? That is equals to plus into minus is minus. So 0 minus 9. When you compare 9 with 0, 9 is greater. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Bigger number is carrying negative sign. So answer is minus 9 only. So it is clear that when we add any integer to 0 or when 0 is added to any integer, it gives the same integer. Yes, is it clear? So 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity for integers or of integers. Yes, 0 is the additive identity of integers. Getting? So 0 is the additive identity for whole numbers. Those whole numbers are included in integers. So it is clear that 0 is the additive identity. Yes. Then what about the multiplicative identity? Yes. Do you remember? It's not there just next to this, but still additive identity is 0. Then what is multiplicative identity? Yes, of course multiplicative identity is 1. Yes. So after this additive identity, the next exercise is there. I think it is 1.2. Just go through with that. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay. So now let us go for is multiplication of integers. You know that since your first standard you are learning the multiplication, isn't it? Then what is multiplication? What is multiplication? You are learning division also. Since you are third or fourth standard you are learning division. Then what is division? What is multiplication? Is there any definition for that, or is there any meaning for that? Yes, meaning is there, but what is that? Yes, multiplication. You will say yes, we are going to multiply. What is that multiplication? What is that division? Yes, is there any answer? Yes, it is there. Multiplication. See, I'll give you the clue. If you take it, I want to add 2 for 3 times. I'm adding 2 for 3 times. What is the answer? Yes, of course it is 6. Right? Now, 2 is repeated for 3 times. Right? 2 is repeated for 3 times. So the answer is 2 into 3 is 6. Yes? Let me consider one more example. It is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Yes, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 is there. Still, we don't know the answer. Yes, let us wait. Okay, so now minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 is there. Minus 3 is repeated for how many times? Yes, of course it is repeated for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 3 is repeated for 4 times. Yes? Now, wait. Okay. Then what is its answer? Yes? Okay. We'll change it. Minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 3. See the answer? What is the answer here? Minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 3. Still we have to discuss it. Yes? That answer you know. Yes? But let us take the basic, then we'll go for that. Minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 3. See, minus 3 plus into minus is minus. Minus 3 plus into minus is minus. Minus 3. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. Yes? All these are having same sign. So what we have to do? When all the integers are having same sign, we have to add them. Okay? 3, 3, 3. Yes, of course it is 9. All the 3 are having negative sign. So answer is minus 9. Minus 3 is repeated for how many times here? Yes, it is repeated for. It is repeated for how many times? Yes, it is repeated for 3 times. Then, is this correct? Check. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. What is that answer? And 4 into minus 3. What is this answer? Are these two answers same only? See this step and this step. Yes? The first step and the second step, and compare the first step of this and the second step of this. Get the answer for this and answer for this, and compare both the answers. Whether both the answers are same or different. See. So by these 3 examples, we conclude that. What we conclude? So if you get this answer, 3 into 3 is 9, plus into minus is minus 9. Minus 9 is equals to minus 9 here. 6 is equals to 6. Then what about these two answers? Are these two answers same? No, the answers are different here. So now, by this we conclude that. What is multiplication? What is multiplication then? Multiplication is nothing but repeated. What? It is repeated addition. See, we are repeating. Repeated addition is multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we have added minus 3. So it is repeated. Getting? Here 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 is repeated for 3 times. Okay, so get the definition of division. Okay. Now we'll take, and this answer is left to you. This answer is not equal to this answer. Keep in mind that this is different. I have used multiplication sign here also and in this also, but here it is different. Okay. So now let us take some problems on multiplication of integers. We know that the multiplication, in that if you multiply positive integer with positive integer, the answer you are going to get is a positive integer. Positive with negative, it is always negative. Negative with positive, negative. Negative with negative, it is positive. Yes, plus into plus, plus minus, minus into plus, minus into minus is plus. Okay, so keep all these four in the mind. Yes, we will take some examples. This is minus 3 into 2 is equals to, see, minus into plus is minus, 3 2s are 6. Yes, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. Yes, all these three are having what? Yes, before going for this concept, we'll take only two negative integers. Minus into minus is plus. Yes, plus into plus is plus. 3 2s are 6 into 1 is 6 only. Yes, we'll take positive integers. 4 into 7. Yes, 4 into 7, it is of course 28. Yes, then these are what? These are both are positive. Plus into plus is plus only, positive only. Then minus 4 into 7. What I have considered here? It is minus into plus is equals to, let us see what is the answer. Minus into plus. See, 7 is carrying positive sign here. Minus into plus is minus. 4 7s, it is 28. So what is the product? The product is always negative. If one positive, one negative, or you can say if different signs are there, when they are getting multiplied, the answer is always negative. Okay. So now 4 into minus 7. Yes, here we have considered for positive plus into minus. Yes, plus into minus, plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. 4 7s are 28. So the answer here is also negative. So answer is minus 28. Yes. Now we'll take one more example where both the integers are negative only. Yes, both the integers are negative. It is minus into minus. Minus into minus is always plus. Yes. So minus into minus is plus. 4 7s are 28. Yes. Don't write minus 28. Both are having same sign. So don't put same sign only. That is applicable only for what? Addition. But it doesn't work here. Minus into minus is plus. So it is 28. Don't write plus also. If no sign is there, it is understood that it is always positive. Getting? Okay. So in the next class, let's solve some more problems on this. It's too easy if you understand it in a good manner. So only